60. Rose Hole Monday. Here is the first dormitory, and it's all air conditioning right there. This part right here is air conditioned, and I don't know, they build some more on the other side right there. So basically they are very friendly here when you move in, because they help you out. They're the one who moving your stuff going inside your room. So it's really cool, because you did not really get hard times to live. It is very friendly surrounding. So here we go, guys. Really, it's a good experience for first day of moving. Rose Hole College Institute of Technology. Oh, look at that hot paper. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna get this video. Oh man, see that hot paper right here? It's really cool, guys. It seems like a flower, but it's a hot paper. Oh, can't believe it. So yeah, oh my goodness. Looks like flowers, but it's not. Unbelievable. So yeah, that's from there, guys. Look like flowers, but it's a hot paper. Ayan, guys. So ayan, guys. Maybe we will do that one to decorate our house. That's awesome. We're not in hurry now, so this is kind of like the other building that when you came in the entrance. So it's really cool moving in today. And here's the other more flowers right there, guys. It's beautiful. So hi, Joshua.
Back to their car.
So this is it. Then the whole, I don't know what's the name in it, but it's one of the building in the entrance right here. So cool. Hi, Han.
That building across, there, that's the sophomore.
Hello.
They have a little spot where you.
Oh yeah, because of that the thing. Okay, hold on. Hold on here a minute. Okay, 1, 2. Hold on, I'm gonna make it closer. How can I get it more? RHT. RHT. What's in here? It's right here, guys. Behind me, right there. It's so pretty. So good morning, guys. Nandito kami sa Rosoman early in the morning. So no, that's not the right one, huh? So, ito nagbo-walk kami, hinahanap namin yung store. I think should be in there because it's the athletic somewhere. So, ayun guys, ito yung mga buildings nila. Yung sa kabila to guys, ito yung library sa kanilang school. Turn you around in 360. So mostly yung mga buildings nila is brick. So we're looking for this sports center. Should be probably in here, honey.
You got the map or got it?
Okay, here.
Oh, you got it.
Look at on that line, which side. So, tingnan muna natin yun guys. Siguro number 20. So, that's right here. The number letter F right there. Oh, should be in there. Napakalinis ng mga nila guys. Area. Sa building ng Rosoman campus. an athletic recreation there. Downstairs.
Yeah, by the athletic.
Ayan guys, we go that way. Because it's on the front one. At the front one. So ayan guys, we just gonna walk that way. Area where this school at. They have a lot of buildings. It's really nice here. I guess they have some going on this morning, I think.
Well, there was. I thought we went through that orientation thing where you ask questions.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa kanilang sports center sa Reforman. So, yun yung space nila dito. Okay guys, diba? Ang ganda ng sports center nila. Super malaki at saka maluwag talaga guys. So, it's really cool to watch them maybe in their games and their activities. So, yan guys. Ang gandang tingnan. Ang laki-laki talaga.